The big insurers, IAG, QBE and Suncorp, all fell between 2 and 3% as investors tried to guess what the floods would cost them. Iron ore miners also fell, but that was more than offset by strong gains among retailers and banks. And that probably has something to do with the strength of the property market. The auction clearance rate hit new highs over the weekend, with many houses shooting past their reserves. It was the busiest auction weekend since this time last year, and the national clearance rate was 82%. We're still a week away from finding out what's happening to prices in March, but it's going to be big, that's for sure. Here's a chart of house prices in various countries, rebased to January 2000. Now, as you can see, Australia hasn't seen the biggest rise. That dubious privilege goes to Canada, while prices in the UK and France have doubled versus Australia's rise of about 60%. The iron ore price dropped more than 7% over the weekend, but oil went up 2% and base metals and gold were fairly strong as well. Asian markets were mixed after a flat session in New York, and the Australian dollar is down a bit at 77.3 US cents. Unlike the Turkish lira, which is down a lot after President Erdogan sacked the head of the central bank, Nasi Agbal, just 4 months after appointing him. Mr Agbal made the courageous decision to hike Turkish interest rates by 2% last week, which was apparently not in his job description. One analyst described the decision to sack him as truly idiotic. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.